Hi there, Melody from WTI, and if you're looking for a dress coat for your little guy, I've found it for you. This is the really nice, stylish, cool / warm coat for your little guy. This is from Maoo Garden. Let me tell you why this is the jacket that you need. I love this navy winter wool dress pea coat for my son. This is the navy one. It does come in 4 other different colors. It goes up to size 14. I love just how it looks with the zipper and the toggles. You know it's going to keep them nice and warm. I love the deep pockets and the cuffs. So although the outside is made out of 50% wool, which can tend to get picky, the inside has this ultra soft Sherpa lining throughout the whole bodice. So it's going to be comfortable and it's going to be skin friendly and not itchy at all for our little guy. So now you know why I like it. Go out and get one for yourself and prove to yourself why this jacket from Maoo Garden is going to be the perfect fit for your little one. And that's my point of view.